For lure anglers, where you keep your lures is always a big issue. And for those guys that have traveled along a bumpy road or flown in a plane where the back of the plane's vibrating a bit, you'll all know that this kind of an arrangement where everything shakes and vibrates, by the time you get there, there's hardly any paint left on your lure. It's gone dull, it's been rubbed, and it's problematic. So the easiest solution for us was to actually come up with something where the lures couldn't rub together and that was quite well organized. If you have a look at this, for anybody that fishes a lot with spoons, I've got a compartment for every spoon here. I can put some split rings in here, maybe a few spare hooks, or in this case if I want to rig my spoon like a jig, I just keep that in there. And this whole thing folds up into a pretty handy system that just clips at the top. No shaking, no vibrating. That goes into my bag, and my lures are great when I get to my destination. Lure anglers' problems are endless when it comes to long lures, especially some of the boxes that are available just don't fit. What we've got here is a lure bag that can actually take all your long lures. So your slim baits fit in the one side. We've got a couple of swim baits in the other side here, and it takes a lot of lures compared to a plastic box. Even the new 22mm slim bait will fit into this pouch, and once your lures are in, you just close it up, and there's no more of the kind of rattling that you get here, no more lost paint, fits nicely in the bag, no noise, wonderful product. Once again, with the lures, you've got your shiver sticks and things like plugs and that kind of thing, which are quite a bit smaller than the long thin lures, and you have the same sort of problem. Very disorganized at times. It's a hang of a lot easier to put them into something like this. Close it down, close it over, very compact, no chance of them rubbing together and all the paint coming off. These are the two sizes, one for the long lures, one for the shorter lures. Great products for those people that are using lures.